Now I did want to show you part of our training program, and this is what we call a triple stochastic or a stacked stochastic. The settings are basically factors of 3 of each other. You can fiddle around with this as much as you want, but basically the purple is long term, the green is short term, and the blue is ultra short term. And so when you get these crosses of all 3 of them at one particular point, the little green dots just show you're above 75%. This is a pretty good indication. You still got these above, and when it goes below, and the blue is below, then you can get in short. Now what happens, you come down here, as long as everything is pegged at the bottom, but the short term, these are what are called slingshots. These are the little retracements that are done basically by high frequency traders. You'll see they'll take a profit from 53.50 to 51.50, 2 points. Price will pop up, then it'll turn around and go down. Then it'll go down another point to 150, another point to 49.50, and then here finally we get down here and everything is just pegged on the bottom. This is a long trend, so it's very difficult to understand what's going on. Now, how can you tell when this starts up like this that it's going to be a bigger retracement than just this little profit taking move? Again, very difficult to use, but people use a lot of stochastics, and this gives you an idea of how one way of using stochastics only can help you. This is Bill McCready for Futures Trading Secrets. I will change the time frame here real quick. This is done on a 5-minute bar. We don't like long time frames because we think that it's too easy to get whipsawed. Here you get in at the right time with the cross of all 3 of those. Come down here, they cross again. You're going to get out and go from 52 to 56, 3-point move before you ever get out. Okay, so you've got to have really big stops to make this work. If you get back in on the turn of this slingshot, it's indeterminate because the short and intermediate or long and intermediate terms have come back up above the 25% level. So you would probably in all likelihood miss the rest of this turn. It is possible you'd catch it over here, but trading on indicators on longer time frames this way make it very difficult to actually become profitable.